Okay guys, today I want to look at how you can make use of your website profitably. So your website is a virtual office, so how can you then make it profitable? If you have a virtual office or a physical office, how can you then make more money leveraging that facility, that resources, that placement and what have you? Placement online, how can you make it profitable? There are a lot of things you can do on your website that will make your website profitable, and I want to first of all walk you through the basic things that your website should have. If your website is not having these basic things, then it means you have not set up your website optimally. So the first thing is your SEO, which means search engine optimization. It's simple. I've done some videos available in my YouTube channel. You can kindly check it out. It's just like giving your websites to Google and other search engines to acknowledge and have it indexed in their own records, so that whenever anybody searches for anything related to your keyword or key phrase, your website will be easily shown that okay, we have a records, a document that has that content in search. So the first thing is you have to do your SEO, which means search engine optimization. If you are interested in doing that, you don't know, I have some videos available for that, and there are few things you just need to use and that will be done easily. So the second thing is you now want to start doing keyword research. It is not just like I want to write anything, I want to do anything. You rather do what people are looking for. Write content that people are searching for. People go on to google.com to search for content every blessed day. How to do this, how to do that, what can I do, how to, like this topic, how can I make my website profitable? So people are actually searching for such content, and that is why you want to answer those search queries, because it is only by answering those search queries your website will be displayed, will be shown to those who actually need the content and the services you are offering. So the second thing is to make sure that you do your keyword research. The third thing is to create engaging content. You don't want to just create content, rather create engaging content that answers specific questions, content that resonates with your prospects, your audience, your traffic, so that they stay longer on your website. So the third one is to start measuring your metrics. Of course, there is always metrics. Metrics means that you'll be able to analyze the traffic that visits your websites. You'll be able to know where the traffic are coming from. Like if you are writing content based on what people are searching in Nigeria, but your audience are in Dubai or they are in Malaysia, then you really want to know. So if you can sell to them, then it's a good thing. And if you can't sell to them, you really now need to narrow down your search topics, your content to your audience, your local content. So you need to understand where your metrics are coming from, and your audience behavior, the placement, are they searching from the mobile or the desktop, what age rank. All this data can be made available if you go into the Google Analytics or the SEO Analytics solution that you are using, and that is the most important foundation. You should lay this foundation. You should create enough content. You should understand what your audience are resonating with, and you now need to take your business, your virtual business now to the next level. How do I turn this effort into money? The first thing is that immediately you have traffic on your website, then you can start advertising. That's the first opportunity that you can do. You can immediately start advertising. It may not be your adverts, your personal adverts, can be Google adverts, which is Google AdSense. Like if you check my website, MojeedFetuga.com, the main page, I did not put ad on the main page, but if you go to the blogs and whatever, you will see Google AdSense there. So you start advertising, and that is a small source of income, but it is a good start. So the next thing is you want to start building your email list. There's this popular saying, and that is not just popular, it is proven, the money is in the list. So if you don't have an email list that you can remarket to, that you control, that you have authority over, then you are losing the chunk of your traffic, because so many people will come to your website for the first time and they will not come back again. and that is not a mistake. It's just because that is the only thing they need at the time. But if you have them in your email list, you will be reminding them of new content. You will be reminding them of new information. So you start building your email list, and of course these are the list that you can start selling to. When we get there to sell to your email list. The next thing is you want to make sure that every blog content you write, there is always a call to action at the bottom. Every content you write, there's always a call to action at the bottom. Okay, if the call to action is contact me, chat me up, do anything you want, any product that you really want to advertise, put at the bottom. So the person that can zoom your content from the main page and go through till the end should be able to now say, okay, I really want to do business with this person. I really want to contact this and take the business to the next level, the relationship to the next level. The next thing is make sure that you can, of course, start selling. You can sell physical products, you can sell digital products, you can sell affiliate products. So many people, likewise myself, made money from affiliate marketing, whereby you actually do content and you promote other people's products. And this is not against saying there are lots of products using platforms like cj.com, ClickBank, JVZoo, Amazon affiliates. There are a lot of affiliates programs that you can join, and you just take the link to their products, whether virtual products or physical products, and you put on your website. So once they click through, they read through your content and they are interested in getting the product, they click on the affiliate and takes them to the products page. And if they purchase the product, you will be given a commission as an affiliate. So your website can either become a source of generating funds via affiliates, and of course you can also sell your personal products. You can start creating products. You can sell private label rights products, whereby you can actually relabel the product and rename the author, and you still sell the product. There are lots of opportunities out there when you have a website. And of course, outside this, you can also sell your personal services, your personal products, or you can even allow people to sell on your platform. Okay, not directly affiliates, but they can actually place sales on your platform, and you then give payment at sales. So these and so many other ways are what you can make use of when you have a website. It takes a while to generate that organic traffic. Otherwise, you can actually run paid ads onto your website. You can promote some of your posts, your blog posts that you really want to go viral, and you drive traffic to this blog post, and that will increase the reach and the landing page views and whatever of that blog post. And of course, if the blog posts have been optimized, have been well structured, and to retain your audience, then it means that some people will want to check out other blog posts that you have related to the same topic or something of close niche. So with all this information gathered together, you can definitely present a virtual business that would resonate with the audience, drive traffic to your store, to your website, and sell products, render services, do anything you really want to do as a call to action at the back end. So the website can really be profitable if you can do the work. Now, get me clear here, there is work and there are works to do. So it's not going to be like I just build a website and I just want the website to start making money over the night. No, it's not going to be like a magic. It really requires that you compete with some people against some keywords. You grow to become available on the first page of Google search results, and it is something that you really need to make use of. In the next video, and I would want to look at services and structures where you can get more content, areas where you can get more traffic, and of course this is not just one time effort. It's something that is continuous. So if you are just new to this YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on the notification icon. If you want to see, I've done lots of videos on practical topics, okay, and I wish you all the best.